The Moto X70 Air is scheduled to debut on October 31st in China. The phone is now available for pre-orders. The X70 Air is said to be a rebranded version of the Motorola X70, which is slated for a global debut on November 5th. It measures 5.99mm in thickness and weigh around 159 grams, and in 3 Pantone-validated colorways: Gadget Gray, Lily Pad, and Bronze Green. It carries an IP68 plus IP69 dust and water resistance rating. The smartphone comes in 12GB plus 256GB priced at 2,599 yuan, and 12GB plus 512GB priced at 2,899 yuan. The Moto X70 Air features a 6.7-inch POL display with a 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 4,500 nits peak brightness. It features a 50-megapixel Samsung S5 KG&J main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel front camera for selfies. The X70 Air runs on Android 16 and is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, coupled with LPDDR5 XRAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The handset is backed by a 4,800 mAh battery supporting 68W wired and 15W wireless charging. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.